Please press the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon and press all to receive all my videos at first.
Take your feet together, standing on the mat. Interlock the fingers, stretch your arms up, arms facing upside. Open your feet wider, down sideways. Inhale up, exhale down other side. Change. Change again. Come center, down. Take a hand forward. Twist back, look back side, breathing deeper. Inhale forward, exhale back other side. Change. Change again. Come center, arms at the waist, take your feet together. Let's raise the right leg out to the side and take it in, out and in. Keep moving. Pull the abdomen, stand straight, tall. Relax. Going other side now. Left side. Relax. Go forward and in this time. Forward and in. Up and in. Relax. Let's go other side. Relax, easy. Take your feet around the foot apart. Standing straight. Let's do the half squatting, going halfway down. Gently come up. Then take the right leg out, bigger. Go down and come center. Go down again. This time, take the left leg out. Go down and center. Make sure when you come center, the feet are still hip distance apart. So going down right, center, down and up, left, down, center, down and up, right, down, center, down and up, left side. Head going this way. Make sure when you're squatting down, the knee remains just above the ankle. Last to the right, center, last to the left, center. Relax. Let's come left corner of the mat. Take the right leg out. Bend the leg. Take the knee up. Take the hand across. Opposite hand. Looking back over the right shoulder. Lunging with the knee raise.
Let's change the side now.
Raise the knee up. Take the right hand across. Look back over the left shoulder. Whichever leg you are taking it out, bend the knee.
Relax.
Keep your legs wide open. Take your hands down on the ground. Press your head down. Slowly come down. Stay there. Breathe absolutely straight. Weight on the legs. Hold. Look forward. Take your feet a little in. Chest stand straight up. Now sitting down, right side, almost sitting down. Keeping the knee above the ankle. Raise the left toes up. Inhale. Slowly come up. Let's go down. Left side. Raise the right toes up. Once going down to the right. Then coming to the left. Right. Left. Keep moving.
Relax.
Turn the right foot out to the side. Turn the shoulders also to the right. Stand straight on the right leg. Raise the left leg up. Balance with your hands. Hold it there. Gently drop your hands down. Keep the left leg up only. Then gently dropping the left leg down. Raise it high up. Hit it high and take it down. Hit Hit it high and take it down. Relax. Slowly roll up. Breathe. Let's turn the left foot out. Turn the shoulders also to the left. This time standing straight on the left leg, raise the right one up. Same one this side. Balance with your hands, keep holding. Gently drop the hands down. Head close to the left knee. Drop the right leg down. Then hit it high up and down, up and down. Relax. Come up, easy. Open the legs once again wide. Turn the right foot out to the side. Turn the shoulders to the right. Bend the right leg. Let's come in warrior one. Turn your shoulders a little out to the left. Let's drop your both shoulders down at the height of the right knee. Push your hands forward. Keep looking between the palms. Keep holding. Stay there. Slowly come down. Gently roll up. Breathe. Let's go left side now. Turn the left foot out. Bend the left leg this time. Inhale to raise the hands up. Dropping both shoulders little out to the right, to the left knee. Look forward. Hold it there. Keep looking between the palms. Keep holding. Shoulders at the height of the left knee. Breathe. Come down. Slowly pull yourself in. Let's sit down in Utkatasana. Sitting down this way. So your heels are up. Knees together. Make a namaste at your chest. Hold it there. Keep holding. Let's open your knees wider. Sitting like this only. Push your knees wider. Once again, make a namaste. Keep holding. Slowly come back. Take your knees together. Take your feet down. Let's hold your big toes with your hands. Gently making your legs straight. Head close to the knees. Slowly inhaling, roll up. Raise the hands upside, arch your back. Look up. Roll the hands down.